So let me just very briefly introduce today's guest scientist, Marie Drago. Marie, the bad news is Marie developed a very rare autoimmune disease. The good news is that as a pharmacist, she was able to do the research needed to deal with this rare autoimmune disease. She got her PhD on this topic with her thesis advisor, Dr. Professor Christine Laforgue, our former French Society president and a friend, and launched her skincare line, Gallinée, based on her findings. So that's my introduction for Marie. She's going to introduce her friend Fanny, and then we'll have Fanny give her presentation. I'll be back at the end to help with the question and A. Take it away, Marie.
Thank you so much. So just to say, it's not a PhD, it's a pharmacy thesis. It's totally not as cool. But I'm so happy today to introduce you Fanny Coste. So she's a cosmetic scientist, and she has a pharmacy degree from Saclay Paris University in France. And she is truly passionate about the microbiome, and she's a pleasure to talk to about the microbiome for as long as you want. And she did two amazing things. She's a founder of a beauty brand doing deodorant for French people and other people called Kinko. And she's also the founder of a product development consultancy that is focused on sustainability and the microbiome also, called Cosmebiome. And that's why today she's presenting you about everything about formulating for the microbiome. Fanny, all yours.
So thank you, Marie. I'm really glad to have you as a guest star today, and I'm very humbled to do this webinar for the IFSCC. So today's topic is formulating cosmetics for a skin microbiome.
Fanny, your slides are on the screen, so just go ahead and hit that next button.
Okay. So the skin microbiome market is really booming. Last year, it was already worth $700 million. And it's expected to at least double within 5 years. So we're here today to discuss how to formulate products to tap into that thriving market. Consumers are eager more than ever to buy products designed for the skin microbiome. According to Google, the search for microbiome skincare increased by 5,000% in 2021. And according to Mintel, 50% of US adult consumers of soap, bath, and shower products are interested in trying products that protect the skin's microbiome. So you see a lot of brands launching microbiome friendly or making microbiome claims in the recent years. But a decade ago, microbiome skincare did not exist. The term microbiome was only coined by Joshua Lederberg in 2001. Until recently, our industry was following a binary approach. Either products were designed to eradicate skin microbes, targeting those involved in skin disorders, but in reality disturbing the microbiome, or they didn't take it into account. It's really with the advent of next-gen sequencing and other techniques and the Human Microbiome Project between 2007 and 2016 that we became aware of the diversity and role of the microbiome. So you are actually more microbiome than you are human cells. That's quite a disturbing thing to think about. But without your microbiome, you wouldn't probably be here today to listen to me. And the skin is not a standalone organ. It's something what you discovered. It's actually an ecosystem. And it's really the first line of defense of our skin microbiome. But it's also much more. So here I've put an illustration from nature. I really like it because it's quite a good summary I won't have time to go into details. I'll let you look at it yourself. But there's one thing you can remember, that actually you should consider your body as a planet. With different climates, the moister skin of your underarms, the dry skin of your palm, and each those climates has its own microbial niche. But before we start to talk about formulating products for a microbiome, we should at least agree on the terminology. And like, for the terms natural, organic, it's not regulated yet. The first term is obviously microbiome,